Steps of disassembling Palm King safety toolbox. Untie the Velcro straps. Hold the upper middle of the PK holster with strap and pull it outward from the blade. Then put on the PK safety cover to the blade for protection. Use the Allen key to loosen and then remove the Allen screws from the PK blade holder. Pull the PK blade holder out from PK gold pole. Then pull the PK blade from the PK blade holder. Loosen the PK gold pole and put the blade and accessories into the toolbox accordingly to complete the whole disassemble process.